fatal frenzy, and your kids may be next.
This is refreshment that's wonderful.
But of course.
Introducing Subway's new
Colored Light Show, only on YouTube.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another GTI mod video. It's gonna be an exciting one today. It's something that I find really cool. We're messing with some more LED lights. We're gonna be changing up the turn signals on the mirrors today to do a waterfall dynamic mirror effect. It's gonna look really awesome. So let's dive down. I'll show you what I got, how to install it, and we'll show the end product. So this is the kit that I got right here. They're two pieces. Each one is a turn signal for your mirror. I decided to go with the tinted look to make it really blend into the mirror. I think it'll look good with the carbon gray. And this should fit in nicely and it flows. So when you do turn on the turn signal, it'll start here and like flow outwards instead of just a blinking. So you get a little bit of a tinted mirror, you get a tinted look, and you make your GTI stand out just a little bit more compared to a run-of-the-mill GTI you'd see on the road. So just for comparison, here's what the new unit will look like. Here's what the old unit will look like, and we are going to be replacing it. It should be a direct fit, plug and play. Just have to take a little bit of stuff off the mirror, which shouldn't be too hard. So I'm gonna stick you guys on the tripod and we'll get to taking the mirror off. So if you're looking at your mirror, there's two tabs right here. And if you use a small pick, reach in around the mirror and you can go in and bend these down. You just twist them down. They'll pop off the plastic hooks on your mirror and then it slides outwards. Pretty easy. All right, so using a T10 screwdriver, there's a screw here and here. We'll just unscrew those. And there it is, guys. So I like the way that looks. It's got a little bit more of a sleek look without it being clear. And you can kind of see there's a little bit of an amber tint. It comes through more on the camera and in person it's kind of hard to tell, but I'm gonna go turn it on so you guys can see what it looks like. It's pretty cool. And check that out. That is so awesome. That's way cooler than the original one. So there's OEM, just blinking, normal, boring LED turn signal, and our new dynamic LED turn signal that looks way cooler. So I'm gonna go do the other side and then I'll show you both. We can wrap the video up. So passenger side is done. And we have the driver's side done now as well. I'm really pleased with how that came out. It's so fluid looking, it's so smooth, and it goes all the way to the edge. That's just a cool little thing to add to your car. I really like that. So thanks so much for checking out this video, guys. If you go down below to the description, there is a link from Amazon to purchase these lights for yourself, and it helps the channel out a little bit if you purchase it. I get a little affiliate kickback from Amazon at no cost to you. So I hope you like the dynamic LED turn signals as much as I do. Let me know if you do them to your car. Leave them down in a comment down below. If you are new to the channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up on this video, and I will see you in the next one.